Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. Got Ace here, my sidekick. He's just chilling, hitting on the keys, making me retype a few things. Isn't that right, bud? Yeah? Yeah, good times? So, if you don't have a coworker like myself here with Ace, I don't know what he gets paid to do, because I very rarely see him to get to do anything. So if he's got the ultimate job of just not doing anything, getting paid. Right, bud? Got an easy life, don't you, buddy? Huh? What do you think? But anyway, so it is that time of year. It's Christmas time. Boston Scally released a few Christmas caps that have not been released. However, I did order one, and it's still in the mail. UPS or USPS must hit some bad weather. It was supposed to get delivered a couple days ago, and it's still about a day away. With that being said, we got a different one. And this one here, I thought was cool. It was a 12-panel cap, it looked like. And let me go ahead and use my teeth to open that. Oh, got tape stuck in my tooth there. But anyway, this is the Santa's Workshop. And we're going to get right into it here. And I'm hoping I struck some coal. It doesn't look like we did. 0 for 2 on the coal. 0 for 2 on the coal. Cheese and crackers. Oh. Well, we got 15% off coupon. If anybody needs that, you can probably just go ahead and zoom into that. It's Cheers 25. But Santa's Workshop is in effect. Got the cardboard. I guess it's called the Workshop. It's not called Santa's Workshop. There's the inside. Great looking thing. That won't stick to your bald head. That is actually part of the fabric. I did get an extra large in this as well. I just didn't want to take a chance. But look at this. We got 12 panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Actually, that's more than that, isn't it? 4, 8, 16 panels. Oh, that's a gift that keeps on giving. So we got 4 here, 4 more here, 12 and 16. 16 panel cap. Who would have thought of that? But yeah, the Holiday Edition Workshop. Came with a pin as well. Let's see what this pin is here. Looks like some kind of key or wind up. Oh, I think it's like one of those things you turn and put into a toy and you wind it up. But that is it there. Kind of cool. And of course, the beautiful dust bag, which is just like the inside of the cap. How about that? Great artwork. Really good artwork. In Boston Scally, we got a 16-panel cap. Didn't think I'd ever see that. And, but yeah, it's a great looking combo though. Great looking combo. I got to steam it a little bit. Probably won't do that right now. It's got a leather brumette. Let's go ahead and pause the video, show you a close-up, and I'll be right back. All right, so here is a close-up. That is a great, like I said, great artwork on the dust bag. That's pretty bad, you know what. Again, you got the Boston Scally, the Workshop Holiday Edition. I actually placed the pen on the cap. But yeah, it's a pretty good looking cap. I was kind of surprised how well it looks. I love the colors. Colors do not do it justice on the website. And there's the inside. The Workshop, Boston Scally, extra large, leather brumette. Yeah, but look at that. 16 panels. That's got to be some kind of record. Somebody call Guinness on that. But yeah, let's try this bad boy on. I'll be right back. All right, so we got the Workshop. Ace, you want to go outside, bud? Yes, you did. All right, so we got the Workshop. Now it's time to try it on. The way this looks, I probably should have got a large. Oh, no, yeah. Bonus. It's nice. That is a beautiful, you know what? I've been dogging Boston Scally these last couple of releases, and they redeemed themselves on this one. Like I said, 16 panels, great looking cap, good holiday spirit. But yeah, that is it. The Workshop with the pin. Came with the pin, came with the dust bag. It did not come with the coal. So I think I got 2 more tries to get the coal. Wish me luck. Haven't gotten it yet. This is Reviews of Moose. This is the workshop, Boston Scally. Everybody have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.